How to see friend's birthday on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your friend's birthday on Facebook. To do so, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, on the address bar type facebook.com. Once you type in this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of Facebook. Here make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged into your account, log into your Facebook account using your credentials like your email address and password. Now once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this home page. To go to the home page, you can also click on this Facebook logo at the top left corner. Now once you reach to the home page, at the left side you will find the menu. Here click on this friends option. And once you do so, again at the left side you will see the menu. From here click on this birthday option right here. Once you do so, you will see a list of upcoming birthday of your friends. You can scroll through the list to see whose birthday is coming up. When you hover your cursor over the profile of your friend, appearing on the top, you will find the exact date of your friend's birthday. If you have more numbers in this list, you can tap on the See All button to view the birthdays in a calendar format, which may be easier to navigate. So in this way you can keep track or see friends' birthday on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.